Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. So in this video today, I'm going to be making a DIY with items that I purchased mostly from the Dollar Tree. Now here we have a pack of the wooden ornaments from the Dollar Tree, and the paints I also purchased at the Dollar Tree. So this is a very inexpensive and beautiful DIY. So this video is a part of a collaboration called Craft Your Stash, and this month is the Christmas edition. It's an open invite, and it's every Friday of the month at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So the host of this collab is Sunflower Tasha DIYs. I believe she has a host, and it's At Home with Kay. So as in all collaborations, I always practice YouTube etiquette. So I'm not using these Christmas trees to hang as ornaments. I'm going to stand them upright because we're going to be using these trees in tier trays, in vignettes, or just any miniature decor display. Now, I didn't notice right away that these particular wooden trees do have a star on the top. Most of them don't. So that's fine. I'm going to go ahead and use this green color. And by the way, the paint from the Dollar Tree is very pigmented. I think it's good. If I'm finding the color that I'm going to use, I'll pick it up from Dollar Tree first before I get the apple barrel from Walmart. For $1.25, you get that big bottle. So I'm starting out by painting the trees, not the star, but the trees all in green. So that's what I'm doing here. Then I'm going to come back and I'm going to paint the stars in white. So you don't see it here on the camera, but I did the one side and then I flipped it over and did the other side. So both sides are done. Then we're gonna move on over to the pearl flatbacks. Now, I'm really looking for just the white ones because what I want to do is where the star is, this where the hole is, to use if you're going to use it as ornaments. So I want to cover that. I'm going to use a pearl flatback to do so, and I'm trying to pick out the white ones. Then I'm going to use the pick that I purchased from Walmart with a wax end to go ahead and pick up those flatback pearls and place it right where the hole is with hot glue. Now, once these pieces were dry, I went ahead back to my stash and I found some of these wooden slices that you can also get at the Dollar Tree. They have them in different shapes. So I'm going to be standing these up with hot glue, very simply, and they're gonna look absolutely beautiful, guys. So I think these stand-up trees look absolutely amazing. And like I said before, you can use them in tier trays. You can use them as little miniature accent pieces, and anything, even a cloche. So I hope that you like these trees. I'm in love with these trees. So right now I'm calling this my little festival of trees. Let's head on over to the reveal. So I think these came out absolutely beautiful, and I hope you agree. So if you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you.